Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I got for gratis the other day. Really excited about it. I was like, I'm off today, but I'm going to make sure I go to education just so I can get that gratis. So I'm going to do a gratis haul and show you guys what I got for gratis this month. So this is the bag right here filled with the things from gratis. You see my name? That means because it's mine. One of the things I got is the Anastasia Subculture palette. This palette was everywhere when it first came out, especially with like bad reviews. I never swatched this. I've never tried it. I've never owned it. This is obviously my first Subculture palette. So I'm hoping that we got like the reformulated one, like the one that blends a lot better and all of that. I officially have all three palettes, which I'm super excited about. First, I was like, oh, I'm not too crazy about the colors. Like, it's an okay palette. Since I didn't have to buy it and I have it now, I'm like, actually, it's super, super cute. I love it. I'm super excited to play with it. Like, I love these colors, like these pastelish matte colors in this little section right here. Like these. These are all like really pretty, so I'm super excited to play with those. So next thing I got is a full-size Milk Blur Stick Primer. I've never used this before. My cousin actually uses it and she really likes it, and I've used it on her. But me personally, I've never used it. When you swatch it, it really doesn't feel like much, and then you touch your skin, it feels like there's nothing on there, but like it really blurs it out. So I'm going to put it on like one hand and not the other to see like the difference in both. This is the hand that I put the primer on, and this has nothing. This palm right here looks a lot smoother than this one. So it does like smooth out your skin, hence it's a blur stick primer. I got the Ralph Lauren Woman Perfume. A lot of women always come in asking for this perfume at my job, at least. It smells good. I'm not really into perfume. I'm not very picky when it comes to scents, so yeah. This smells good. It kind of smells like my aunt. This is like a mature woman smell. That's what it is. It's like a mature woman smell. The next thing I got is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this so much. This is my favorite setting spray. If you want something to make your makeup last all day, pick up this one. Pick up a small size so you can try it out first and then see how you like it. That's how I did it. Like, I bought a small one and then I ended up purchasing the bigger bottle because I fell in love with it. I recommend this setting spray to almost every client that comes in because it is so, so, so good. I'm a person who sweats a lot, and like there was this one time I went to, where did I go? I went to Wynwood. I always feel like I say it wrong. Wynwood. Whatever. I went to Wynwood, and every second Saturday here they do like an art walk. So, and it's outside, so it's kind of like a block party at the end of the night. They do like this really big block party. So I went to that, and it's outside. So, and it was like during the summer, and obviously like it's super, super hot here. I had set my face using this setting spray, and I'm telling you, my makeup literally lasted me all night. Like, my makeup was not dripping whatsoever. And I started using this when I first started like really getting into makeup, as in like really putting it on all the time. So this one is really good. I highly recommend it. First time I ever like used the setting spray was for prom, where I got my makeup done at MAC, and I have to sneeze. I got my makeup done at MAC, and she set my face using a Fix Plus, and girl, I was at prom and I was sweating from dancing, and my makeup was literally dripping off my face. So when I discovered this and I saw my makeup wasn't dripping, I was like, oh, like this is like an angel sent down from the makeup gods. You know, I don't know. It's just, it's so, so, so good. So this I actually got a few weeks ago because we have like a mini gratis where we got the new Better Fit mascara and a mini orgasm blush, which is this one. I got a little mini one. I've never used NARS blushes, but a lot of people always come in for this one. And on YouTube, they would always talk about it. I'm not much of a blush girl, so I really don't care. I do use the same blush every day and for every look, but I'm like willing to give it a try because I have it. So you guys can at least see the colors, like a little baby one. It's good to travel with. It's super cute. What I like about this blush is that like it's very subtle. I don't like blushes that are too pigmented. I got the Kate Somerville All Glow No Glitter. This is, I'm guessing, specifically for gratis because it says gratis that trains, and it is a Sephora exclusive. I sampled myself the Exfoliate Kate face wash because I have a lot of texture. It's like little exfoliants in it. It's really good to like get rid of texture, whatever. So I've been trying that for like the past 2 days, and I've really liked it so far. I feel like my texture has gone down a lot. I don't know if it's the face wash or if it's all the other skincare stuff that I sampled myself that I'm playing around with, but my texture has gone down tremendously. Let's see, I feel like I'm opening a PR package. Like, I'm super fancy, so let me show you guys what the box looks like. This is what the box looks like. Right here comes, it just shows you the moisturizer, and then you open it and it has like 2 little flaps basically explaining about the product and what it carries in it. As you can see, it has like glycolic and lactic acid, which is good for natural HEAs, whatever the hell that is, and it tells you like what it's good for. And then you open it and it comes with these 3 little samples right here and some like decoration. I honestly feel like I'm opening a PR package, guys. It's so funny. So it comes with these 3 things right here. It comes like little sample size. So this is the Exfoliate cleanser. It also comes with, what is this? Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliator. So it comes with an exfoliator. And it comes with a moisturizer. This is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. This is a cream moisturizer and it's like a mint color. I think it's really, really pretty. And it smells very clean. So we'll see how I like this. I am really excited to use this. You can use it both day and nighttime. Next is the Tartelette Flirt Palette. The Tartelette Flirt Palette. Tartelette Flirt Palette. It's from the, okay, let's do this again. I also got the Tartelette Flirt Palette, and I think it's super cute. It's really good to like throw in your bag, or like it's good for when you're traveling. It has the colors that I normally would use. So it has a bunch of neutrals and warm toned colors, as you guys can see right here. It has like the matte shades and it has 2 shimmer shades. I really like Tarte's shimmer shades. I think they're really, really nice. Like their Toasted palette, oh, it's so pretty. Very pigmented. The middle shade, it's my favorite. I love shimmer shades. I feel like shimmer shades, they swatch so nicely, and like having it be applied with your fingers, it's so, so, so pretty. And these are swatches for the bottom row of the palette. It's also really, really pretty. They're more of like the deeper, darker shades rather than the top, but they're all really, really, really nice. I suck at swatching, so don't judge me. And I also got like travel sized, sample sized Glam Glow. This. First, let's talk about the white one. This is the white one. It says that it is a super cleanse, clearing cream to foam cleanser. It is oil fighting, pore refining, mattifying, and it's also a face makeup removal. So I would say this is really, really good for oily skin because it has like mattifying effects and it like combats your oils and stuff. There's the black one right here. This is the Galactic Cleanse Hydrating Gel Balm Cleanser. So it says that it hydrates, softens, nourish, and it's also a face makeup removal. So that's exciting. It's supposed to come with something else. It says it comes with this, but I don't see it. Whatever, that's fine. A perfume from Stella. I don't know exactly which one this is because I know they have different ones. Like right off the bat, it's a little strong, but you have to wait for it to settle in and like really like interact with like the warmth of your body. I don't know, guys. I suck at perfumes and how everything works, but I know it smells different when you put it on your body rather than you just spraying it. And it smells a lot softer like on my skin rather than when I first sprayed it. This is the Always On Metallic Matte. That I've never swatched these. It's kind of interesting because so it's supposed to be matte, but it's supposed to be metallic. It's really creamy. Okay, it's really pigmented. It's really pretty. I'm really into like vampy dark colors, and then imagine like putting this like on your eyes and using it kind of like as eyeshadow if it doesn't transfer. I'm gonna let it set for a little bit and see if it dries down matte or anything. You know those little Huda beauty sets that come with 2 little mini liquid lipsticks and a full size lip pencil? So I got that. I'm really excited. I've never tried any of Huda's lip products. I got these 2 little mini liquid lipsticks and I got them in the shade Muse and Trophy Wife. And then I got a full-size lip liner and this is in the shade Trophy Wife. So I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches so you guys can see them. It's a really pretty pink. I really like it. It's pretty bold. It's kind of similar to ColourPop Bumble. That's what I'm kind of comparing it to. It's a lot more toned down than Trophy Wife. I like this one too. And then let's swatch the lip liner, which is the matching lip liner to Trophy Wife. I like it. I feel like it's really pigmented. You can use this literally by itself. I love using, like, as an everyday look, a nude lip liner, or like a lip liner that's more or less the color of my lips with the gloss over it. So these are the swatches for the Huda Beauty. And then let's touch the Smashbox to see. Well, it does transfer, but it does dry down matte. It does look metallic, but it's matte, so I get what they're trying to say. But someone who's new to makeup, if they were to read it, be like, metallic, matte, liquid lipstick, I think they'd be really confused. But I get it. I get what they're trying to do, you know? Okay, next I got this little Drunk Elephant baggie, which I think is super, super cute. I've been trying out a few of Drunk Elephant's products, and so far my favorite is their day serums and their night serum. Oh my god, the night serum is so, so good. Like a mini sample size, B Hydra. Oh my god, I just had a deja vu. Oh my god, I just had a deja vu moment. Like, I just had a deja vu moment of me having a deja vu moment. I'm shook. Drunk Elephant B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. It says that it's like a cool drink of water for your thirsty skin. This ultra hydrating gel quenches the complexion and improves the look of skin texture and tone. My main thing is skin texture. And then it is infused with provitamin B5, which attracts and holds hydration to the skin, helps to improve skin's barrier function. It has pineapple ceramide, which helps boost luminosity, which I'm also for, improve the appearance of skin texture and tone. Sodium hyaluronate cross polymer penetrates skin and delivers intensive hydration. And it has watermelon, rind, apple, or lentil complex, which provides 24-hour skin hydration. It has a little tip right here, and it says, at Drunk Elephant, we love to mix it up. Mix B Hydra with any DE serum, cream, or oil for an extra shot of vitamin B plus hydration. I literally got hooked up with mascaras, and mascaras are my favorite, one of my favorite makeup products, because I don't wear falsies, so I just go buy my natural lashes. So I got the Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara from the brand Sephora. This is what the wand for that mascara looks like. I still haven't tried it yet, so this is supposed to be for volume. I'm all for volume and length when it comes to mascara. Curls, I can, like, curling my lashes, I can get that with like a curling lash, a curl. Shit, I can't talk, guys. I'm going blank. I haven't been in school for the past month, and this is what happened. Also got the Buxom Big Tease, and it's supposed to be a plumping mascara. I've also never tried this one either. I feel like Buxom is all for plumping things, like plumping your lips, because all their lip products have plumping effects. This is what the wand looks like. I've actually don't think I've ever used a mascara with this type of wand to it, so we'll see what it does for my lashes. I also got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I used this for the first time yesterday, and I'm using it today, and I love this mascara. Like, a lot of people say lashes look clumpy, but I didn't experience it. This is what the wand looks like. You know what this looks like? It's very similar to the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. So I'm actually gonna get the L'Oreal Paradise mascara wand so you guys can see to see how similar they are. Can we talk about like how similar more or less their packaging is? Like, they're both pink, except this has like textured letters and this doesn't. But they're both pink, and they're both kind of like that metallic feel. This feels more expensive. It feels heavier. I don't know, maybe it's just because I ran out of this one maybe, but yeah. So this is the original one actually, and this is waterproof. So I'm going to open it. You guys have to guess which wand belongs to which mascara, because look how similar these things are. This is the Better Than Sex mascara wand, and then this one is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara wand. The L'Oreal Paradise mascara retails for about $9, and then the Too Faced Better Than Sex retails for $23. I really like the Better Than Sex. Like, look how it makes my lashes look, guys. Like, it's super nice. I love it so much. Next is the Smashbox Ablaze Eye Palette. This is also like a really cute thing to put into your bag. I really like the packaging of it, because when you move it, it looks different. And it's like that scratchy type of material, so I really like it. These are the colors that it comes with. Again, right up my alley, girl, because these are all warm tones, and like this pink shade right here, it looks kind of like Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette. It's really, really pretty, and I love these like burnt shades at the end. Ugh, they're so nice. I'm gonna swatch. I'll swatch like one shimmer and one matte so you guys can see. What it looks like. It's kind of not creamy, but not. It's kind of buttery a little bit, but I can feel like they're gonna be really easy to blend. And this is perfect to also like travel with, because you can like do like a daytime look with just like this color maybe and like some of the pink shades, and then you can deepen it up with like the darker colors. So that one's super, super cute. Next, I got a little travel mini size Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 40. Right now, I sampled myself the original Ginseng the gel moisturizer, and I really like it. I'm using right now the gel moisturizer and the ginseng eye cream, and they're both really, really good. I really like the smell of it. It really brightens up the skin. What I like about gel moisturizer is that it has like a cooling sensation when you apply it to your skin, so it feels very hydrating, which I'm all about. I got the Ginseng Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturizer, so you can use this during the day because it does has SPF 40. I also got a full-size Buxom. This is the Baba Plump Come to Dolly liquid lipstick. I have the gloss version of Dolly. So this is, I actually tried this on. I was going to use this as a lip color today, but I figured it was a little too much for like my no makeup look. So I went ahead and put Dolly as a gloss over it. I really like the overall applicator of it because as you can see, it bends. So it like really fits into your lips like very nicely, and it like makes it a lot easier to apply your lipstick. It's a very similar tingling feeling to their gloss. You can see the color. This is basically what Dolly would look like if it were an actual shade. Like if it weren't a gloss and the color was more opaque, the gloss version, this is what Dolly would look like. This is the Dolly gloss from Buxom, and I'm going to swatch it right next to each other. You see, like they're both in that pink range, except this one, from the Baba Plump, it's a lot more, it's a deeper pink, whereas this one, obviously it's a gloss, so it looks transparent and it looks like a little softer than the other one. But they're both pretty much the same thing. I think it'll look really nice to kind of like put Dolly over Come to Dolly. That'd be really, really pretty. Lastly, I got a Fenty Beauty lipstick. These are so pretty. I low-key wish I got Freckle Fiesta because Freckle Fiesta is so nice. It's like a burnt orange color, and I love anything like that's orange or that's red or like an orangey red on my lips. Those are my favorite lip colors to wear. But however, I did get a red color. I got the shade Madame. About the packaging first, I feel like it's very futuristic. It has like all these little angles to it, and then it has like Fenty Beauty here. This is like another product I don't want to leave my fingerprints on it because it's so nice that I want it to look clean all the time. And then when you open it, it has the initials FB. I don't know if you guys can see it on it. And then I got the color Madame, so it's like a really pretty red. I love, and they're really creamy and they're so comfortable. I love it. That's everything that I got for gratis this month, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to try all of these products and put them to the test and see how I like them. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that I do upload on my channel every Tuesday and Thursdays, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.